In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use microphone on Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, voice chat communication was introduced into Roblox on PC and mobile. You even have various experiences in games which allow you to use your mic to interact with other people, and it is the primary focus of these experiences. However, what a lot of people might be curious about is if it is possible to use the microphone on Roblox if you are playing on a PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or even Xbox consoles. As you might be aware, on those consoles, Roblox does not give users the option to use text chat. So what about voice chat instead? If you try to join any of these experiences that allow you to voice chat and mic up, or you try to go into any standard experience such as Bloxfruits, even though you might be able to go into the settings, browse through all of the audio options, and you might even have a microphone connected to your PlayStation 4, what you will notice is that you won't be able to use microphone in any experience on the PlayStation 4. So as of today, is there some workaround to this or is it completely impossible? Sadly, as it stands today, the developers of Roblox for consoles such as PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and Xbox decided against the option of adding text chat and also voice chat onto Roblox, which means that using your microphone inside of Roblox itself on the PlayStation 4 is indeed impossible. What you can consider doing is using Discord or lobbying up in a different place where you can talk to your friends, but inside of Roblox, it is indeed impossible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that using your microphone inside of Roblox itself on a PlayStation 4 is impossible. You can only use your microphone if you are playing on PC and you have a verified phone number attached to your account. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.